Hey guys, happy Wet Wednesday. So today we have something a little bit different planned. Instead of focusing on one pathogen, one disease, we're going to be talking about two different diseases. And it's exciting because we're talking about bacterial diseases of onions. The reason that this is kind of relevant right now is because harvesting of onions is starting to happen right now in the South. And so we've been getting quite a few samples in. People are wondering what's going on with their onions. And for the most part, it has been focused on two bacterial diseases. So that's what we're going to talk about today.
So the two that we're going to talk about, the first one is center rot. The second is slippery skin.
It's not my favorite name. But enjoy all of this information, and at the end of the video, stay tuned because I'm going to make Mandy eat an onion that has one of these bacterial diseases. She's just now learning this.
Wait, what? I hope this doesn't ruin my appetite for onion rings.
It will. It will.
The first disease we're going to talk about is called slippery skin. The causal agent of this disease is Burkholder gladioli, which is formerly known as a Pseudomonas. The symptoms of this disease include softening of the neck tissue and the leaves turning pale yellow and dying back. The disease progresses from the tip to the base, and the rot spreads clockwise from scale to scale. Eventually, the entire onion will be rotted. Control for this disease has to do primarily with post-harvest. So that includes harvesting after the onion is completely mature, preventing injury of the onion while harvesting, and letting the bulbs dry out before storage. The next disease we're going to talk about is called center rot, and it's really similar to slippery skin, but there are a few minor differences, starting with the causal agent, which is Yerwinia kerativora. The symptoms are pretty obvious with the name center rot. The inner onion scales start to rot, and the foliage wilts and whitens. It's also very, very foul smelling, and the whole interior of the bulb will eventually break down and rot. The control of this disease is pretty similar in that it's post-harvest management practices. So harvest after the bulbs are completely mature, let the onions dry out before storage, and make sure to store them somewhere where they won't be wet in order to prevent condensation.
Y'all didn't actually think I was going to eat it, right?
You're so gross.
Ew, Mandy, I cannot believe that you had that onion so close to your mouth. Y'all should have been there. The smell was disgusting.
Hence the tissues in my nose.
Ew, 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 ew. We hope that you enjoyed all of this information.
And hopefully it does not ruin your appetite for onions because they're still delicious. So we'll see you next week. Bye.